Hi, friends. Can you believe it? We are just over 2 weeks from our 3-day Facebook challenge. So I'm really excited to have you join me on this incredible 3-day adventure. There is going to be so much good information that you are not going to want to miss even one 30-minute segment. But if you have to miss it, it will be recorded. It's just that you get to experience live, and that is so much better if you can. All right, so today I just wanted to focus on the things that you can do to maximize your experience with this 3-day challenge. Like I said, the information is going to be amazing. Some of it's going to blow your mind. It's all going to be helpful, and it's going to be very empowering for you in whatever steps you are taking in your life and business this year. So I'm really excited for you to join me with this 3-day challenge. So thank you so much for signing up. And here is what you need to know and be prepared for as we jump in this journey of exploring you, exploring your gifts, and really tapping into the resources to make your journey successful this year. All right, so first of all, I need you to bring a pen of some sort. Doesn't have to be anything fancy, just a pen. Um, that will be awesome. The next thing, every day I need you to bring a couple note cards. Okay, even if you're watching these recording because you're not going to be able to make it to the live things, I need you to uh, participate just like you're watching live. Okay, so be prepared to do that. If you are going to plan on watching the recordings, please do it as if you are doing this live. So show up for the video with these materials. So like I said, a pen, a couple note cards per day. We may not use all of them, but just keep them in mind just in case you need them. Keep them on hand. All right. The other thing is I have this incredible journal that I can share with you in a minute. But if you have a journal that you love to write things down in, that is your journal for whatever it is you are going into this challenge for to receive. Bring that journal. If you don't have a specific journal that you like or you're open to suggestions, I want to introduce you to my absolute favorite journal of all time, and this is the Creation Journal by Dr. TJ Dixon. Now, she's a good friend of mine, and uh, she wrote this journal with the intent of helping us create our best lives. So there's nothing too fancy about it when you just look at it, because it's got these um, aspects for the date, for your intention for the day, gratitude, prayer, and meditation, just sections for those. And while you can just write those down in any journal, for me, when I do that, I forget things or I don't focus on all of these aspects. And so for me, it's just so much easier for me to just buy a bunch of copies of this. And this is probably my 30th copy. So I love this journal. If you're open to suggestions, give it a try on Amazon. If you have one that works for you, great. Okay, so pen, note cards, journal, and then questions that you might have that you want to ask your subconscious. Come prepared day one with one or two questions that you have in mind that you want to explore within yourself. Okay, we're going to be muscle testing. So I want you to come at least with a couple questions that you really are seeking answers and guidance to. And we can tap into your subconscious and we can explore that. So bring those questions, and you can even write them down on note cards ahead of time if you want. We are going to be doing an activity with them. So either way is great. All right, so let me see if there's anything else. All right, so I will also be providing you with a few resources as well. So let me go ahead and show you a couple of things that are included with this program that you will receive in an email. Okay, so this first one that I'm showing you, this is a chart that I am giving to you, that I purchased so that we can all use this together. And this is a 1,000 categorized positive or negative beliefs. If you are currently a client of mine, you've probably seen this and it looks like something like this, okay? So it's got full of positive and negative beliefs. This is going to be really helpful for muscle testing. So that's going to be really good for our journey together. So that is one thing that I'm going to need you to have on hand. Let me pull up the next thing. Okay. So I am going to send you a body code chart with emotions on it. So you'll be able to have that for muscle testing as well. And then, so let me pull that one up so I can show you what that looks like real quick here. So here's what the chart looks like. And I am going to yeah, there it is. All right, so I'm going to send this to you so you have this chart as well. This chart will be beneficial for you in muscle testing also. And then the third thing that I'm sending you is a chart that looks like this. And this chart um, is aspects of the self. This makes it really easy to muscle test different things. So this is to maximize your experience in the 3-day challenge. All right, so I want you to come to the 3-day challenge prepared with all the resources you need. So I'm sending you these resources. You're bringing the pen, notebook, and flashcards. And then one more thing, because we are going into this 3-day challenge and it's only going to be a half hour of instructions and practice, we are going to use every second of that 30 minutes. So while it will seem like a fire hose, it's a short fire hose. So I want you to come, even though there's going to be a lot going on, I want you to come hydrated. Bring your water. So bring your water or um, whatever tea or whatever it is that's going to help you be focused and grounded. Also, if you have a favorite meditation, a relaxation, a grounding exercise, please do that ahead of time. If not, we will do a brief one. But but because we're going to dive in right away, it's nice if you take a moment of quiet prayer, meditation, or something similar to just come into the meeting ready to learn, ready to receive, and just ready to have a lot of fun. I will be answering questions at the end of each 3-day challenge. So feel free to bring questions. I will end the recording though at about 30 minutes. I don't want to go over, especially for the people who are going to be watching it recorded. So I do want to open the last at least 10 minutes of the 30 minutes for Q&A, and then anything beyond that, I'll be capping it because I want to keep your time valued. So this is really exciting. The content I am so excited to share. I've got it all planned out and it's going to be wonderful. Starting with day one, you're going to be having some breakthroughs. And then by the end, you are just going to feel like you just had an awesome crash course. And I'm going to try to keep it from getting too overwhelming. I'm going to try to keep it as grounded and methodical as possible. But that does mean that if you can plan to ground ahead of time, find yourself in quiet prayer, and just whatever it is you are coming to this 3-day challenge to receive, that's what I want you to receive. So we are in for a fantastic time in this 3-day challenge, and I am so excited for all the things we're going to cover. I just don't want to spill the beans yet. It's going to be great. So day one, we're going to start out with muscle testing, and we're going to use all these resources that I'm sending you and that you are bringing, and we are going to have a blast. So, and one more thing, if you make it to the end of the 3-day challenge and you are there the whole time, I am doing a special giveaway for a drawing. So your name will go into a drawing if you are there for until the very end. So at the very end of the 3-day challenge, I will be doing a drawing, and that drawing will be for either there are two options. One, your choice of either one, an Akashic Records reading, which is tapping into not only this world, but also maybe gifts that you brought into this world from um, past experiences, then I can do that for you. Or if you would prefer, I can also take a message from one of your angel guides for you. It's usually done in the form of a letter, and then I will send that letter to you. But because you would need to give me permission to do that, you will do that when your name is drawn. So if your name is drawn, you will have the option of either one, and you'll just let me know, and I will do that, and I will email it to you. So it's going to be really exciting. There's going to be so many wonderful gems in here. So please enjoy the 3-day challenge, and I will see you in a few weeks. So exciting. Love you so much.